Hello friends, this is a 2000 Lexus GS 300. Okay, we got the check engine light on. We're gonna show you how to get rid of it, you know, without having a scanner or a scan tool. Remember to hit that subscribe button below so that we can keep on making these videos. All right, let's get to it. All right friends, so what we want to do is make sure you know your engine is not running, and you're gonna grab a wrench. Now for some reason this nut right here is gonna be a 10 millimeter and this one is 11. Okay, so maybe your car is different, I don't know. So what you want to do is loosen these nuts and this nut right here, and just take both of your battery connectors off your battery and leave it like that for 1 minute. Okay. All right friends, now 1 minute's passed now, so we're gonna put back the terminals on the battery. Make sure you put first the positive one. Okay, put your positive battery terminal, tighten it down. Okay, now put the negative one. All right friends, now let's see if it worked. There you have it. Check engine light is gone. All right. So friends, remember, subscribe to the channel. Hopefully this video helped you somehow, and I'll see you next time. All right.